Hello YouTube, my name is Jonah, and today I'll show you how I fixed my broken garden hose and show you some of my mistakes. So check out my garden hose at the side of my house. This was a 50-footer hose and connected directly into my outdoor faucet. Wow, looks like a big leak. What do you think? It's time for a new one? But instead of replacing it, I'll try to fix it. So if you're new to this channel and you find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. So I'm going to cut the hose about 8 inches above the leak. Then notice inside the hose, it has a rib and spine design. I think it's just part of the manufacturing design. I tried removing it because I know that will cause a leak when I put my insert in. But to no avail. I couldn't get that to be smooth enough, and I know for sure that's going to cause a leak. So I had to throw away this black-red hose. Luckily, I still have this old green hose that works perfect, but this is only a 25-footer hose, which means it will not be long enough to connect to my outdoor faucet. But luckily again, I had an old black and yellow hose that I can connect to, but as you will see, there is another problem. This black-yellow hose does not have a female connector. The good news is that inside the hose is very smooth and doesn't have that other bad design with that rib and spine. So I went to Princess Auto and bought this 5/8 inch garden hose insert female. This includes that red O-ring gasket and a clamp. And to my American friends, Princess Auto is the Canadian version of Harbor Freight Tools. And when you buy this, make sure you cut a piece of that hose and bring it to the store to make sure it fits properly. And this cost me $5.64 Canadian. Now I'll insert my female connector into my outdoor faucet. Then insert my clamp, make sure that the screw faces me. Alright, just have to tighten it up with a screwdriver. Now let's test it out and turn it on, and let's see. Uh-oh, looks like I failed. There's a huge leak going on right here. So here's my smart idea, using this black electrical tape as a Teflon. This should stop the leak. Now let's check it out. Well, look at that, nice and dry. Well, it sure looked great. It looked like everything worked out perfect. But I celebrated too early. Because let's see what happened the next day. Wow, and will you look at this? The hose slipped off the insert. I guess my black electrical tape did not work. I failed again. So I went to Princess Auto for the second time and exchanged my 5/8 insert into this 3/4 inch insert. Alright then, Jonah, deja vu, let's do this again. I also know this 3/4 insert is going to be tight. So here's a good trick. You heat up some water and use it to soften the end of the hose. And there you go, slips in like butter. Now let's tighten it up for the last time, I hope. And let's test it again. Well, looks good, nice and dry. Oh yeah, wife will be happy again. We got water for her flowers. And the next day, still all good. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Sharing this content also helps. So once again, thanks for watching.